To have the power or opportunity to do something. Able to. Number 1. If I study hard, I will be able to speak English well. Number 2. He took driving lessons, so now he is able to drive well. The suffix able at the end of a word means that you are able to do something. Understandable. You can understand it. Manageable. You can manage it. Unable. Number 1. The government was able to reduce crime through investing more money in creating jobs. Number 2. We are able to see a dramatic rise in the sales of sunglasses in the summer. Number 3. Students will be able to develop their talent if they are provided with extra support. Good luck in your IELTS, TOEFL or any other exams.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching English Made Simple. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, make sure to ask and we will try to answer. See you next time and have a great day.